Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to connect your Speaker Ultimate Ears Boom 2 with your iOS device. You have to start by opening Settings, go to Bluetooth. Now you should turn on your speaker and press and hold Bluetooth button until you can hear a sound and the LEDs start flashing white. Here we go. And now click on UE Boom 2. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!